part of the ride.
So he's represented India and he's a Dakar race champion. We have a Fauji riders here, army officers are here. Few are serving, few are retired. They are going to lead a ride with us.
The General Secretary and the political leads who are very, very helpful. To all my dear riders, just don't rev on the roads. Please follow the lane discipline. You are not matured enough to do this, but still.
Spread out on the road, we have to leave space for the traffic.
the main motto is whatever the carbon we are producing, that is for the reducing by the bikers, and it's recognized by the all the Asia Book of Record, India Book of Record, Asia largest movement by the bikers. Even the world, if you ask the AI, somebody is telling me, you know, AI knows us. We are doing the biggest plantation drive on the earth by the bikers. 3rd August, many cities are event was happened. Even the Northeast also event was happened. Saber right. Bangalore is the last event is have not in the last. After the Varanasi one event is there in a September. So Bangalore event first time we change the date on the today. So every year, next year onward definitely will continue on the August first Sunday. That is the Friendship Day.
We have successfully stopped the coming the garbage to Bangalore, but unfortunately it is shifted to another place in my constituency only. I only allotted this land to this temple so that people can come and worship here and show that they can maintain the cleanliness.
Like usually those numbers will make us little disturbed when we see those numbers at the bottom of the bill.
You know, you don't have many politicians who are bikers. I think a huge round of applause for his biking spirit. You know, while riding with him today, I kind of asked him, sir, you know, I've never seen a politician ride so gracefully and peacefully and patiently. And we guys have this, you know, urge, "Arey, thoda jaldi chalo," and he's like so peaceful. And I asked him, so what bike do you ride, you know, when you started off? I think he'll let him tell, and that's when ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅದೊಂದು ರೋಮಾಂಚನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಗಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ?
Vespa. Next, when I was a engineering student, I used to ride RX100 Yamaha.
So there you go. So you know from where he gets the josh to conquer Mahadevpura and everybody here, right? So that ಹಿಮಾಲಯ ಪರ್ವತದಲ್ಲಿ 10,000 ಫೀಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು 4 ಅಡಿ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್, ಜೈಸಲ್ಮೇರ್, ಬಿಕಾನೇರ್ ಕಡೆ ಮರಳು 50 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ವಿತ್ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಗೇರ್ 5 ದಿವಸ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಡೇ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೀ ಕೊಚ್ಚೆ 4 ದಿವಸ, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಮಳೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಹೊಡೆದಾಡಿ ರೇಸ್ ಫಿನಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಲ್ಲೋದು ಒಂದು ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನೆ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 5 to 10 kg ಅದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಚ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್ ಮರ, ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ 50 to 150 kgs ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಒಂದು ಮರ. ನಾವು ನೀವೇ ಅದನ್ನು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನನಗಿದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಯೋಚನೆ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಹಾಕಿಸಿದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲು ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ರೈಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಗೋ ಲೈಕ್ 12 hours, 14 hours, 16 hours ದೇ ರೈಡ್. ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಡ್ರಿಲಿನ್. ಸೊ ನನಗೇನು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಔಟ್, ಫುಲ್ ಥ್ರಾಟಲ್, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. Basics and basics. You can YouTube, you can do chat GPT, you'll get all the basics. This is no hi-fi. We forget. I'm just trying to say, let's be very conscious in whatever we do. If need any help with off-roading or especially trying extreme racing, you can always reach out to me. My ID is VSD81 at Insta. And any help, anytime, I'm there for you guys.
We are conducting a bikers ride, Tiranga Road Show, next Sunday, August 31st. It's going to start from the Vega City Mall and end up in Miraya Green Resort on Banagatta Road.
So it's first of all a round of applause to all the bikers for making it here, man. It's very good to see a good crowd and good energy early in the morning. All ride it up, proper gear. You know, good to see people riding responsibly.
ಶ್ರೀ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಲಿಂಬಾವಳಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಮಹಾದೇವಪುರ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು
just to tell you, we have regenerated 2 lakes in Bangalore. One is next to Banagatta Zoo, and you'll be surprised to know today all the elephants of that area, they come and drink the water from that place. with help of all our 4 malls and there are few NGOs, more than 12,000 sanitary pad we have distributed. And just to tell you, any mall you go, you will see the sanitary pad in every washroom at free of cost. I see we do a lot of women engagement and development program. We give free places for the women to put their kiosk stall if it's of the good quality. So we are happy to take that request, evaluate as per the company standards and help you grow, because end of the day we are here to help and give it back to the society. I thank Ashish. This is our second edition with Ashish and team, and in fact Arvind sir, I think this is the second night. Thank you so much for, and he chosen not Shantiniketa. He said I want to start from Whitefield, and we said all malls are yours. Wherever you start next time, you say Koramangala, we'll start from there. Thank you so much everybody.